So you've done 4 travel trips. I guess that I should have just said trips.
4 travel trips.
Travel trips. You've done 4 trips. You've done this Instagram thing. I'm not sure.
Actually,
you
this
started cooking.
This
you
is useful.
Did all the woodworking stuff.
So along with this 30-day challenge, semester changing thing, where I want to focus on different things, and it's not always a 30-day challenge. Sometimes it's output based. So I am engaged now. I don't think I've said that on the podcast because I don't care if everybody knows. The important part is.
Well, wait a minute, but people are going to care though.
Well, too bad.
I was about to say this, but I didn't want to mention just in case you didn't want me to.
Oh,
But yeah, Martin asked his girlfriend to marry him.
Yeah, and she said.
She said, "I guess."
Okay, but like one of my goals there was I legitimately started woodworking, bought a bunch of saws and stuff, and taught myself how to do this. It was very frustrating because I could only do it while she was at work, but I built a ring box. I looked up how to make it. I tried a bunch of stuff. I failed. I have like 7 or 8 failures where I was like, okay, so the end grain. Much too strong for this Forstner bit. I'm going to need to go into the edge to make it work out. And so that wasn't a 30-day challenge, but it was a significant and memorable project that I obsessed over.
It's something you're not going to forget about.
Yeah, and so basically all of these things, I've been keeping an accomplishment log for all of 2018.
Oh, okay.
So I've got lots of things in here, and when my memory fails me, as memories do, I can say, wait, what have I done this year? Oh, I've finished several books, did several language goals, beat some video games, made a block print for no reason, just to experiment, finished more books.
Is the block print
ring
on
box.
Instagram anywhere?
I posted it on Twitter once.
Okay.
Entered photos and got accepted into a photography exhibit where I took classes. And finished more woodworking projects, got engaged, beat more games, posted portfolio photos to Instagram for 30 days, and just on and on and on, just tons of things that I would not have been able to just list to you had I just been trying to pull from memory. So now I look through it and I say, I can remember all of 2018 now, because each of these accomplishments is the pieces of 2018 that matter. I don't care what days I had the kitchen clean. That doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Forget it. You're right, brain. Good job. Erase those memories. They are dumb. Mm-hmm. But these ones are the memories that matter this year, and I can now go through and remember each specific month.
That is smart.
Because I don't remember last year, and that bothered me.
Yeah.
That's why I remember think about this so
much. I remember that
much.
conversation because I was just like, I think I was like listing off things I'd done. You were just like, I don't know what's going on this year. I was kind of sad about that.
It is
so
sad.
It's really
That's
cool
why
to
I'm
hear
like,
that you were doing this
oh no,
now.
life is disappearing because I'm losing my brain. And now I'm doing this, and I feel so much better because even if I feel I'm not productive enough, oh no, I just look at this and say, wait, yeah, you are. Don't be dumb. You're doing fine.